Hello and welcome. Kamusta kayong lahat dito, mga kapatid ng Star Viewers? Welcome back. So, ang reading natin ngayon is about your month of October. Alamin natin anong magaganap sa inyong month of October. Right, Spirit Guardians Collective reading po ito. Kamusta ang ating mga collective for the month of October? Alam nyo guys, nakapag-read na po ako ng October ninyo. Pero medyo maingay kasi sa trabaho ko yun eh. Medyo maingay yung background and medyo annoying sa akin. So, gusto kong gumawa ulit ng panibagong reading. And then, nakagawa ulit ako kanina and I realized wala palang volume. Hindi pala naka-on yung mic. So, nakaka-frustrated itong pangyayaring ito. Anyway, lesson learned, dapat talaga i-check. Laging mag-check bago mag-start. Anyway, siguro hindi talaga para sa inyo yun. So, dapat mag-start muli ng panibagong reading para mas resonate sa inyo ang reading na ito. Or baka may nagbago na energy. So, anyway, positive lang tayo, no? Yeah. Alamin natin ang inyong month of October. Guys, kayo na pong bahalang umitindi sa reading na ito, ha? Hindi po ito private reading, collective po ito. Kung hindi man naayon sa inyo yung mga nababanggit ko dito, meaning para po yun sa mga ibang kapatid nating nanonood dito sa reading na ito. Give and take at love lang po tayo mga collective. Spirit Guardians, kamusta ang ating mga collective for the month of October? October reading. Alamin natin inyong finances, love life, stability, career. Okay, so nag-reverse yung Queen of Swords in reverse. Meron naman ditong mag-i-evolve. Alright, so same reading pa rin ito sa previous video ko kanina. Meron dito sa inyo for the month of October, self-care, self-love, mas nagiging nurturing kayo, no? You will be like more on focusing about your self, no? Love, respect. People will be respecting you for the month of October, especially sa partner ninyo. Kung may mga anak na kayo, yes, mas mamahalin ka pa lalo ng inyong partner, mas ma-inspired pa ang partner ninyo, mga kapatid. And mas na-attract sila sa inyo. You will becoming more attractive, nurturing, caring. Mas na-inspired. Maraming mga taong ma-inspired sa inyo. Yeah, for the month of October, stable. Meron kasi dito sa inyo na feeling insecure. Guys, it's time to change this insecurity. Tanggalin itong insecurity ninyo. Like again, you will be feeling like fresh. Yeah, feeling like inspired, attractive. You will be receiving good news, yung iba dito for the month of October, especially when it comes to your money, stability. Yeah. Meron dito sa inyo for the month of October, may matatanggal dito. Matatanggal na insecurity. Matatanggal na financially baggage. Siguro lately, feeling unstable ka, feeling insecure. Kung siguro lately, mataba ka, no? You be, for the month of October, may maglo-lose weight. Very specific here. May maglo-lose weight dito. Meron naman dito na financially stable. Yung mga anxious, takot, fear. Yes, when it comes to your emotional, emosyon, mas nagiging stable ka na. Lalong-lalo na pagdating sa self-care or sarili mo. Emotionally, you will becoming more stable. Yung iba dito. This is more about you. Yung health mo, mga kapatid. Mas nagiging brave ka pa. Mas nagiging matapang ka pa. Mas nagiging attractive ka na. Yeah. Makakaramdam ka ng enlightenment, no? Pagbago. It's like, pagising mo, mas nagiging blooming ka na. Yeah, mas nagiging ibang pakiramdam mo. Siguro, like, kung may sakit ka bang nararamdaman, makakaramdam ka ng pagbabago. Feeling young, feeling light, mas feeling secured, nurturing. Meron siguro dito sa inyo magbubuntis for the month of October. Kung ikaw ito nagbubuntis, mas nagiging ano ka, no? Nagbo-blooming. Like again, physically, may nagbo-bloom sa inyo dito. Age doesn't matter. May nagbo-bloom dito sa inyo. Baka feeling bata. Even if you look like older, but you are still more becoming attractive. Especially when it comes to finances. You will be receiving good news when it comes to your stability, money. Yeah. Yung mga challenges, conflict, mga kapatid, mawawala din ito. Stable. Yeah. You'll be receiving a message from the person. Sino ito mag-message sa inyo? Communication. What is this communication coming na matatanggap sa mga collective when it comes to month of October? Communication. Okay. Whatever you manifest, mga kapatid, like again, you'll be feeling complete. Magiging kompleto na ito. I don't know kung ano itong minamanifest mo or lately pinagbibisihan mo. It's happening. It's coming. An offer, new friend, new person, new lover, achievement. Yes. Like again, when it comes to your money, you will be, makakaramdam ka na pag-uusad. An opportunity. An offer. Continue manifesting, mga kapatid, dahil matatanggap mo ito, especially for the month of October. Makakaramdam ka na pag-usad. Gagaan din ang iyong pakiramdam. Yeah, an opportunity, maybe new lover, a person, and be careful, mga kapatid, ha? Yes, there might be a new person na makilala mo na married na. Baka ang taong ito ay magsisinungaling sa inyo, so watch out. Yeah, watch out because ayaw mo naman na ma-encounter itong third party. So, yeah, avoid this flirtation kasi may mag-flirt sa inyo na committed na, may bawal. So, yeah, be careful about this person. Maybe this person might be lying or magsisinungaling sa inyo. So, watch out. And warning ito sa inyo, ano, mga kapatid. Baka ang tao ito ay magsisinungaling na single pa, yun pala ay committed na sa iba. Alright? So, yeah, continue manifesting, guys. Like again, guys, you will be feeling powerful for the month of October. Energetically powerful, strength, mas magiging feeling matatag ka, feeling beautiful, attractive, seductive, may mangliligaw sa inyo. Ano pa? What is this coming more? Yes, wish fulfillment. Whatever you manifesting, continue. Then matatanggap mo na ito sa buwan ng Oktubre. Okay. Money, stability. You're becoming more stable. Wala ka nang kailangan na ikakabahala pa. Dahil susuportahan ka ng universe. You'll be feeling supported by the universe. Money, overflowing money, self-care, beauty, energetically, you'll be feeling young, feeling love, feeling attractive, success, money offer, stability, or siguro sa negosyo, or sa, I don't know, something about like sa sahod ninyo, baka may offer sa inyo na sahod na lalaki pa ang sahod ninyo, or yeah, for the month of October, maganda ang takbo ng iyong finances, ang matatanggap mo. Makakaramdam ka rin na pag-uusad. Yung worried mo, no, mga worries mo sa finances mo, yes, makakaramdam ka rin ng secured or security, stability. So, tanggalin ng inyong mga worried, mga kapatid, mga conscious or takot, no, pagdating sa finances ninyo dahil, yes, makakatanggap ka rin ng financially support. Yeah. Meron naman sa inyo dito, like again guys, be careful or watch out sa betrayal. Baka may magsisinungaling sa inyo. So, before you listen to someone else, kung may sasabihin ng taong ito na offer, negosyo, watch out as a warning. Whoever offer you finances, no, tulong, huwag tayo basta-basta tatanggap ng tulong. Kailangan mag-research muna tayo before we accept this help or offer. Maybe this person's going to offer you na an opportunity sa abroad, bago tayo pupunta ng abroad, mga kapatid, or tanggapin yung mga offer. mag-research muna tayo, no? Alamin muna natin bago tayo makinig or tanggapin itong offer na ito. Because someone might going to scam you or lie. Lalo-lalo na kung taong ito ay maghihiram ng pera. Yes. Mag-research muna kapatid bago tanggapin itong sasabihin ng taong ito, no? I don't know, something about na lalapit ang taong ito sa inyo. Siguro sweet talk, like again, a betrayal, sinungaling. Yes, watch out. Whoever this person na may kwento rin ninyo o lalapit sa inyo for the month of October, huwag basta-basta maniniwala. Okay? Yeah. O siguro, meron ito magbabalik. A person na hindi mo kausap and baka the reason na lalapit siya sa inyo, kausapin ka, dahil gusto nito ang tulong mo. Magpapatulong lang pala. Yun pala, gagamitin ka lang. So, watch out for this person na user. Alright? Ano pa? What about their health? Kamusta ang kanilang health for the month of October? Like again, nasabi ko na kanina, may mag-i-evolve sa inyo dito. Feeling young, feeling light, attractive, mas gaganang feeling mo, mas feeling maganda ka, no? May anong tawag nito? Blooming. Yeah. The Fool. May mag-travel sa inyo, new beginning. So, there will be an opportunity sa inyo. So, do not be afraid of taking a new beginning. Baka mag-start ka ng something new. New product, no? Yeah. New product, new, I don't know, something about new. New adventure could be. Na hindi mo pa ma-experience. You might be trying something new for the month of October na hindi mo pa na-experience. I don't know what it is. So again, good luck and try it. Wala namang mawawala sa inyo kung susubukan nyo, no? Like again guys, before you try something new, research nyo muna. Alright? Or magtanong-tanong kayo sa iba. What about their, ano pa? Who is this person na makilala ng ating mga collective for upcoming month? 8 of Wands, a message, new, I don't know, new contract, or new information, or new lover. May bago kang makilala dito for the month of October. Like again, it could be new friend. Yeah, you'll be meeting a new person, new friend, and there could be conflict yung iba dito. Baka ano conflict na a friend from the past, and gustong ipakita sa inyo na nagbago na siya. But like again, huwag tayo basta-bastang magtitiwala kung ang taong ito ay binitray ka na. It's okay na magsimula muli. Forgive and forget. And like again, pakiramdaman muli. Baka ang taong ito ay user lang din, ano. So, and again guys, you'll be receiving an instant message from this person. May person na magpaparamdam sa inyo, or may mag-message sa inyo. Who is this person na mag-message sa ating mga collective? For the month of October. A message from the person. Who is this person? Okay, you know what? Spirit ka rin, just sino ito mag-message sa ating mga collective? There will be like communication coming, an instant. Who is this person na mag-message sa ating mga collective? Oh, sorry. Who is this person for the month of October? So we have here your soulmate. A good communication between you and your person. Guys, for the month of October. Affirm nyo ito, good communication, single parent. A single parent will going to approach you. A new friend. A single parent. Ano pa? Jobless. Ang taong ito ay jobless, kaya mag-message sa inyo, hingi ng tulong. Like again guys, dapat aware kayo, no, kung bakit biglang mag-communicate ang taong ito dahil jobless, walang trabaho, kailangan ng tulong ninyo. So, it's okay to help the others as long as hindi ka ipapapahamak ng taong ito or siguro binitray ka ng taong ito at gustong lumapit sa inyo para tutulong, no, or hingi ng tulong sa inyo. Still again, still up to you. Tatay, single parent, tatay siya, stranger, could be sa social media. My God, sinabi ko kanina, soulmate, social media pala. Yes, it could be soulmate. You'll be having communication with your soulmate, especially social media. You don't know this person's going to talk to you, approach you. Kaklase na lalaki. Okay, a dealer. Yes, like again, a dealer, whatever this person's going to deal for you, no? Dealer ng sasakyan. Like again, guys, check nyo muna bago kayo bumili ng mga gamit or bagay, whatever this person's going to deal, no? So, watch out. Magtanong-tanong, mag-research, whatever, kung ano itong i-offer ng taong ito sa inyo, i-deal, or bago kayo bumili, or bago kayo maniwala sa taong ito, mag-research muna mga kapatid. Lalong-lalo na for the month of October. Ano naman yung good news na matatanggap nyo? What is this good news about, Spirit Guardians, for the month of October? Good news. What is this good news about for the month of October? Yes, stability, wealth, independent. Kahit na sinasarili mo ito, could be activities, no? School activity, work, mas nagiging independent ka. Dahil independent kang tao, mga kapatid, mas nagiging mayaman ka. Yumayaman ka dito. Mas naging stable ka. Mas maraming nag-a-admire sa inyo, nag-a-attract sa inyo for the month of October. Travel, opportunity, admirer, independent, success, financial stability, security, profit, yes, prosperity, wealth, property, like again, a dealer of property could be abundance, rewards, through hard work, collecting on investment, like again, makakakolekta ka ng investment money, makakatanggap ka ng money support, like again, guys, you will becoming more stable for the month of October, especially when it comes to finances, thriving business and status. So, congratulations guys, mga kapatid. Affirm nyo ito. Minamanifest mo ito and it's happening. Continue because you are achieving and thriving. Alright, so hanggang dito na mga kapatid, and I do hope resonate sa inyo ang reading na ito. And before mag-end ang reading na ito, tanggapin mo natin itong mensahe ng universe for you for the month of October. Like again, listen to your body. Lalong-lalo na sa iyong health, no? For the month of October, kahit na busy kayo, pakinggan ang inyong katawan and listen to your instinct. Alright? So, I know you guys need like again, pakinggan ang inyong katawan, kung kailangan self-reflection. Yes, may pagmuni-muni dito, or kailangan mo ng tulong. Whenever you ask help, guys, like again, independent kayo no? Kailangan mo rin ng tulong. So, feel free to reach out the others, or feel free to reach out the universe. Manalangin kayo whenever you feel emotionally baggage, health problem, or mental, mental breakdown dahil sa mga emotions ninyo. Lalo-lalo na kung kakapanganak mo lang, or siguro kung may mga anak ka na, no? May mga hormones. Yes, listen to your body. Kung kailangan mo mapadoktor ka. Baka dala ito ng iyong, sa papanganak ninyo. Yung mga hormones, pagbabago, guys, mga kapatid, this could be part of your hormones na pagbabago. So, kung kailangan mo bumisita sa OBGYN, magpadoktor kayo, or magpa-check up kayo, baka dala ito ng mga hormones, no? Body hormones changes, or health problems, issues, pakinggan ang inyong katawan. So, magpa-doktor kung kailangan pa-doktor. Or mag-relax kayo, self-care, magpamasahe, magpaganda. No matter how bad we feel, our bodies are always working on your behalf to create health and vitality. Meet your body halfway by acting on the messages it sends you. So, pakinggan talaga guys kung ano yung mga mensahe na pinapakita ng inyong katawan. So, pakinggan. Whether it's whisper or roar, don't ignore what you hear. Listen to your body. It wants the best for you. Okay? So, kailangan mag-pause muna. Take a deep breath. Mag self-care, self-love, magpamasahe, matulog kung kailangan, mag-day off kung kailangan. Yes, dahil kailangan ito ng katawan ninyo. Alright, for the month of October, listen to your health, your body, your emotions. Alright, so continue manifesting, self-care, self-love, independent, money support. Like again guys, good luck for the month of October and congratulations. You are moving forward, you are evolving, you are elevating. There will be adventure, new contract, love, somebody's coming back, a dealer, could be money, new house, new stuff, new things na experience mo. So congratulations and good luck. Okay, for the month of October. I love you guys and hanggang dito na lang mga kapatid. I do hope nag-enjoy ka sa reading na ito. And thank you for keep tuning in to any of my tarot reading videos. Mabuhay kayo and thank you. Bye!